Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my bedroom. Today we're going to do a bathroom fold and I'm going to do a very quick tutorial because this is a very quick fold and it's the spa fold. These are two examples of two different hand towels that I've used, but you can use this fold for larger towels. They look beautiful. Let's get started. To start, lay your towel down on the bed so it's super flat. If you've kept your label on, keep your label closest to you and face up. So your first fold is going to be to take this corner here and then just fold it over so it slightly overlaps and meets the other side. So you formed a triangle on one half of your hand towel. Fold number two is to take this second half here, pinch those two corners there and fold that over to meet the edges of your first fold. Now it's important to slightly overlap this side here and that will keep all the edges nice and neat when we come to finish the fold. The next thing we need to do is flip the fold over, and this is the bit that most people forget to do. And if you don't flip the fold over at this point, then it just simply will not work. When I first learned this fold, I was constantly forgetting to flip the fold over. You are not alone. So just make sure it's nice and flat. You've flipped it over, so you might lose a bit of your neatness, but that's okay because we can get that back quite simply. And then from here, we're going to finish the fold by starting at the edge nearest to us and rolling all the way up to the top. Nice and slowly so you can keep it nice and straight. Now when I get to about here, I like to bring this piece over like this. If you want to keep the fold nice and flat, you can just leave it as it is. If you wanted to secure the fold in, you can tuck this corner into the edge here. It does make the edge a little bit off, but it secures the fold in, so it is useful to do. And then just when you display, you want to make sure that you hide that if you need. And then you might have some other towels that you do in the same fold to join. This one's actually slightly bigger. You could pop it next to it. You could lay them like this, maybe if you're laying them for a guest on the bed, or you might do the same fold with their bath sheet that you're leaving them, or you might have all the same towels because you might be in a spa, in a salon, and you might stack these in a nice pyramid. They will look amazing. I can just see it now, just like 20 of the same towel with a spa fold, looking all beautiful, like a wall of spa folds. I actually, oh my gosh, that would look so satisfying. Just get a life. Anyway, so that was my quick tutorial on the spa fold. I hope that helped. And as always, if you've got any requests for folds or organization tips or any products that you want me to suggest to help you around the home, please drop me a comment. See you next time.